recent minor league team as well, and you know, that whole building, just real good venue. A lot of stuff there. I mean,
2 home runs, 22 RBIs, and batting .279. He swings at this pitch and splits the barrel. Bottom of the 4th, Matt Sherman steps in, swings at the first pitch, grounds it over.
So it's real fun to watch.
Jeremy Figueroa steps in. First pitch called a strike. He now swings at a pitch at the letters, 0-2, and misses.
Doesn't swing at any bad pitches. You know, just all around, just a real good baseball, you know, fans type feel of everything that I've been a part of. So, you know, that's real exciting. You know, that's just been great. You know, the guys.
2-2 pitch on the way from River Scott. Just outside, but called a strike. Shoop not happy with the call. Shoop from NIU, it's from Illinois University. He uses some off the produce section of your local Walmart store. Hampton Farms, finest from the fields. A pitch rolling. Here's the 1-2 pitch from River Scott to Andy Nelson. Swung on and missed, and Nelson's down on strikes. Back-to-back strikeouts for River Scott. Second strikeout for him.
Boots now have 8 hits in this game. 2 from Scott. Called strike 3 on the inside. No argument there from Ferguson as well. That is a great 3-2 pitch from River Scott. The second out here in the top of the 8th.
Yeah, and a really good job too, battling back after falling behind 3-0 in that count. Just a perfect pitch there, on the inside corner. Got the fastball there right underneath the hands. Really good call back there.
2 outs, nobody on. Pistol Shrimp leading 16-9. Scott's 1 strike away from closing the door here for the Shrimp. Back to work. The 1-2 offering to Vitale. Swung on and missed. That's a strikeout brought to you by Mr. Sparkle, Auto Spa in Peru, and that is the final out here in this one. The Pistol Shrimp pick up the victory.
Nice. Struck him out. Yeah!
All game. That's going to be a ground ball hit to first.
All
And
right.
the play
Nice.
made by
Got
River
rid.
Scott. That's going to be the inning. 1-2. 3-2 count on Lindsay. The 3-2 pitch. Swing and a miss. And that's
Go!
going to be the ball game here in Thrillville.
Finally.
Tyler Short. And on the mound for Pistol Shrimp from the University of Hawaii, number 44, River Scott. The Pistol Shrimp are managed by John Jakovich, assisted by Justin Friday and Mark Pierce.
Yeah! Go, Roo!
For the Pistol Shrimp from the University of Hawaii, number 44, River Scott.
Seeing that Shaney felt, shaking his head on the outside there, trying to go a little bit further off the corner.
3-2. Called strike 3. Absolutely found that corner that time. Shanny Felton knew it, and that is the first out here in the top of the first inning. A strikeout for River Scott.
Yeah, that was just really good execution out there by River. Did not break away from his game plan. Continued to go outside with Nick Chavez, and then great job back there framing that.
So Nick Chavez stopped the damage right here with nobody on and 1 out in the inning. The 1-2 swung on and missed. That is a strikeout for River Scott, his 3rd of the contest. Another one brought to you by Mr. Sparkle Auto Spa in Peru, and it's the 2nd out here in the top of the 4th. And you can see where Chavez elevates. See if he goes back to the slider, if they go fastball up. Go back to it. It's popped up. Could be playable for Chavez. He's giving it a look. He's underneath it. He will make the
Get out of this inning right here.
3-2 with 2 outs and nobody on. Scott sets and fires 3-2. Swung on and missed, elevated the fastball. Good 4 innings for River Scott here in the 4th, but River, he's been rolling, Jace, and we are going to head to the bottom of the 4th inning. We'll be back.